Actually, ran out of memory there, so I had to delete a couple files to continue this video, but we'll do it as part two. That's fine. What I was talking about is high taxes in California. I'm paying $1,000 a month out of my paycheck in just taxes, so it's about 12,000 a year. So I'm making 55K, but right off the bat, that's minus 12, 13 grand. So it's actually 40, 42, 43. And if I was paying rent out here in California, which for a standard one bedroom, you're looking at least 1,500. We're looking at easily $20,000 just in the housing. So with just taxes and housing, you're looking at 35,000 a year. I mean, I don't know how you can save much money depending on your income if you're paying $35,000 a year in taxes and rent. So pretty interesting. I did run into, I think, a homeless guy while I was sitting here in the parking lot. Looks like he was pretty drugged up. But I gave him $5. He asked if needed some money for breakfast. I don't know if he wanted to get breakfast or drugs, whatever. But I felt I should help the guy. So I gave him $5. I talked to him for about 5-10 minutes. I actually wanted to interview him and get him on camera, but he said he didn't want to be on camera. I understand. Maybe next time I'll be more. I'll just flip on the camera instead of asking him. So we'll see. Anyhow, sum up day four: zero rent, extreme savings, and investing. Um, I do on day four. I do have $800 in the stock market. My portfolio is very small right now, but it's going to build because I'm on track to save $2,000 a month, and I'm going to try to push 1,500 to possibly all the 2,000 into the stock market portfolio per month. So it's only day four. We're on course. Had a good morning. Made $50 on the stock market. Boom, in and out within an hour. Swing over to Jack in the Box. Still haven't finished eating my breakfast. Um, I'm gonna finish it, and then I'm going to head over to Jiffy Lube. I really need to get my car checked out. Um, it's more important now that I'm sleeping in it to make sure that everything's looking good. So I just got my paycheck cashed. It's not going to rent. I figure, I might as well do this now. Get my oil change, get a tune up, have them take a look at everything. I don't know if I need alignment, whatever it is. I want to do some maintenance on the vehicle. So I'm going to head over to Jiffy Lube after I finish this breakfast, if I ever finish it. Um, get that taken care of, and then I'm going to work. It is Friday. Mm. Um, and then I'm going to finish up the work week, and then I get the weekend. I have a few more things to move into my storage. Maybe we'll do a little tour of the storage, also a little tour of the van. Maybe I'll run it through the car wash before I show you guys and clean up the back a little bit. It's not terrible. We got the mattress in there. We got a suitcase with my work clothes. So maybe I'll visit a couple buddies over the weekend. We'll see. Um, but yeah, got paid. So good morning. $50 made $50 off of my small portfolio. Hopefully, it will get more interesting as I add more money into that stock market portfolio. And also, I'm using Robinhood, which, by the way, in the link in the description, if you're interested, you can get a free stock by signing up under my link. So go ahead and do that. Get yourself free stock. Um, just be careful with the stock market if you're not educated. You can lose. Um, I'd recommend just at least getting the rudimentaries down. Um, but this is going to be interesting because I'm hoping I can go from basically the bottom, rock bottom. I mean, luckily I'm disciplined enough to educate and have a job. But I mean, the first goal is 10,000, and then increments of 5,000 thereof. So 15, 20, 20. And depending on how well I do with investing, um, that 10, 20,000 can easily turn into 100,000. So if that happens, hey, cheers. You guys will see it all happen as I document it online with YouTube. So I'm gonna close up. I'm gonna get over to finish my breakfast, get over to Jiffy Lube, get that all tuned up, and get to work and finish up the day. So save that money, get your investments, and hopefully be on the path to financial independence, prosperity, and freedom. We'll see what happens. Till then, have a good day.